Okay, welcome to my channel Devis Mathematics. Today we are essentially going to discuss the solutions to the question paper CHSE 2002 Mathematics Set B. Dear students, first of all you note there are different sets, but the number of questions in each set are same, but they are in different order. को सेट रे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टा आ गोटे सेट रे से क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हेई पारे बा 7 हेई पारे 1 टू 25 दुईटा सेक्शन रे 50 टा क्वेश्चन अछि आमे ताकू सॉल्व करबा. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस स्टार्ट. पोजीशन वेक्टर position vectors of A and B are 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and I cap minus 3j cap minus k cap. Write the position vector of the point that divides AB in ratio 1:3 internal. Option 1 5/2 I cap minus 7/4 k cap. Option 2 3/2 I cap minus 2j cap minus 5/4 k cap. Option 3 4 I cap 3j cap minus 5/2 k cap. Option 4 5 I cap minus k cap by 2. Okay, so what will be the solution to this question? What is given? A is given to you, B is given to you, right? You have to find the coordinate position vector of point P, right, which divides the join of A and B internally in the ratio 1:3. So what you get? 3i cap j cap minus 2k cap I cap minus 3j cap minus k. We all know the position vector formula: m a bar plus n b bar divided by m plus n. Sorry, m b bar plus n a bar divided by m plus n. If the position vector of A is a bar, position vector of B is b bar, then the answer becomes m b bar plus n a bar divided by m plus n. In this case, m is 1 and n is 3, right? So the answer will be 1 into I cap minus 3j cap minus k cap plus 3 into 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap divided by 1 plus 3. So what we get? I cap minus 3j cap minus k cap 9i cap 3j cap minus 6k cap divided by 4. 3j cap cancels, so what we get is 10i cap, right, minus 7k cap by 4. So the answer becomes 5/2 I cap minus 7/4 k cap. So the answer is 1. Okay, it should be clear to all of you. Now next come to question number B. Question number B. A bar equal to 2i cap plus 3k cap. B bar equal to I plus 2j minus 3k. C bar equal to 3j minus 4k. A minus B plus 2c equal to option 2i cap minus 4j cap 8k cap, I cap minus 4j cap minus 8k cap, I cap plus 4j cap minus 8k cap, I cap plus 4j cap plus 8k cap. Right? It's very easy. A minus B plus 2c, that is equal to 2i cap 3k cap minus B is I 2j minus 3k plus 2 into C 3j minus 4k. So what you get? 2i cap 3k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, 2 into 3 6j cap minus 8k cap. So what you get? 2 minus 1 I cap minus 2j plus 6j 4j cap, then 3k 336 minus 8. So none of the options match, so there is no answer. You will get grace if you attempt. Right? This exercise is very easy. 3a bar cross 4a bar, that is equal to 12. A bar cross a bar. We all know if two vectors are equal, then the cross product of them is equal to null vector. So the answer is this. Now come to question number D. Equation of the line. Equation of line passing through 2 1 3 and 4 minus 2 5. Options given: x minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 by minus 3, z minus 3 by 2, x plus 2 by 2, y plus 1 by minus 3, z plus 3 by 2, x minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 by 3, z minus 3 by minus 2, x minus 2 by minus 2, y minus 1 by 3, z minus 3 by 2. Formula: x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So this will be x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2, y minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, z minus 3, 5 minus 3. So you get x minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 by minus 3, z minus 3 by 2. So the answer is this. Next question. Plane perpendicular to the line x equal to y equal to z is, options are given, x minus y plus z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 0, x plus y minus z equal to 0, minus x plus y plus z equal to 0. So the equation of the line is given, x by 1 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 1. DRS of the line, 1 1 1. So suppose the equation of the plane, इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन मान के पकड़ो ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी जेड प्लस डी इक्वल टू 0, राइट. सपोज दिस इज द प्लेन and this is the line. DRS of the normal to the plane are A, B, C, right. So DRS of normal to the plane are same as DRS of the line. DRS of the line. So DRS of the normal to the plane are 1 1 1. So equation of plane becomes x plus y plus z equal to 0. Essentially you have to mark that the DRS of the line and the DRS of the normal to the plane are proportional. So here it is only one option is there. So this option is correct. A equal to xyz, B equal to 1 2 3 4 5, domain of R given by x2 x3 y1 y5 y4 from A to B. Options xyz, xy, xz and z, right. डोमेन का डोमेन अर्थ कौन? डोमेन अर्थ फर्स्ट पेज, राइट. डोमेन अर्थ कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द फर्स्ट एंट्रीज, right. So domain becomes x comma y. So the answer is this. A equal to A B C, B equal to 1 2 3 4. F is given by A2 B3 C4. F is a function from A to B given by F equal to A2 B3 and C4. Then F is options given 1 1 on 2, 1 1 on 2 and many one. देखो, this function cannot be on 2 because the range is 2 3 4, which is not equal to 1 2 3 4. So it can't be on 2. because it is not on 2, so it can't be 1 1 and on 2, and it can't be many 1. Many 1 means many images have many elements have single image, that is also not possible. So only possibility is 1 1, the function is 1 1. H sin inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse 1 by 3 equal to, options given 0, 1, pi by 2, pi. Standard formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 when x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So the option is pi by 2. Right. Now come to I. Sin inverse x equal to pi by 5. Then cos inverse x equal to this. Options given 9 pi by 10, 7 pi by 10, 5 pi by 10, 3 pi by 10. Use the previous formula. Cos inverse x becomes pi by 2 minus pi by 5. That is equal to 10. 5 pi minus 2 pi. 3 pi by 10. Maximum value of 3x plus y plus 5 subject to y plus 3x is less than equal to 5, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. So simple thing, first you draw the feasible region, y plus 3x equal to 5, put the value of x equal to 0, so y becomes 5, 0, 5 is a corner point. Now you put x equal to y equal to 0, right? So once you put y equal to 0, you get x equal to 5 by 3 and 0, 0. So now take the values. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, the value becomes 0 plus 0 plus 5. Put x equal to 5 by 3, y equal to 0, the value becomes 3 into 5 by 3 plus 0 plus 5, that is equal to 10. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 5, the value becomes 3 into 0 plus 5 plus 5, 10. So 0, 10, 10. So the maximum value is 10. Oh, 10 lagi. A and B are matrices of order 3 cross 5 and 5 cross 2 respectively. Order of AB. Options given 3 cross 2, 2 cross 3, 5 cross 5, 3 cross 3. Now you know, if you multiply two matrices of order m by n and n by p, the resultant matrix has order m by p. So here it is 3 cross 5, 5 cross 2, 5 get cancelled, you get 3 cross 2. Now come to L. 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0, y plus 7 equal to 0. Write in matrix form. Options given: 0, minus 1, 2, minus 5, xy, minus 3, minus 7, then 2 minus 5, 1, 1, xy, minus 3, minus 7, 0, 1, 2, minus 5, xy, 3, 7, and 2 minus 5, 0, 1, xy, minus 3, minus. Right? So what you can do? 2x minus 5y minus 3 and 0 into x plus y equal to minus 7. So the answer becomes 2 minus 5, 0, 1 into xy equal to minus 3, minus 7. A equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, B equal to 2, 1, minus 1, 0, then 2A plus 3B, 6, 5, 0, 2, 8, 7, so what will be 2A? 2A will be 2, 4, 0, 2, 3B will be 6, 3, minus 3, 0. So what will be 2A plus 3B? 2 plus 6, 4 plus 3, 0, minus 3, 2 plus 0. So what you get? 8, 7, minus 3, 2. The value of the determinant, right? Omega to the power 21, 27, omega to the power 105, start koi dibe. Options given: minus 1, 0, 1, 4. Omega cube the value kete 1. So omega to the power 3n 1. एठी देखो पिला माने 21 is a multiple of 3, 27 is a multiple of 3, 105 is a multiple of 3, 501 is a multiple of 3. So essentially you have to find the determinant of this, which is equal to ABC, BCB, XBC equal to 0. Then Options given A, B, C, 0. Look, we all know there is a property of determinant. If any two rows or any two columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. You can see here it is ABC. If you take x equal to A, then this also becomes ABC. So two rows, first row and third row are identical. The value becomes 0. So the answer is A. F of x equal to sin x by x is continuous at x equal to 0. Then f of 0 equal to dash. Answer given -1, 0, 1, 2. So since the function is continuous at x equal to 0, limit extending to 0 fx must be equal to f0. What is limit extending to 0? Sin x by x. This is a formula we all know, 1. So the answer is 1. Come to the next question. D square sin of 3x plus 5 by dx square. Options given: sin 3x plus 5, 9 cosine 3x plus 5, minus 9 sin 3x plus 5, 9 sin 3x plus 5. Right? Differentiate first. D by dx of sin of 3x plus 5, that is equal to 3 cos 3x plus 5. Now again you differentiate. D by dx of sin 3x plus 5, that is equal to 3 d by dx of cos 3x plus 5. Derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. Minus sin 3x plus 5. Derivative of 3x plus 5 is 3. So you get minus 9 sin 3x plus 5. So the answer is this. xy equal to 2a square, then dy by dx. Options given: minus 2a square by x square, 2a square by x square, 0, 2a square x square. xy equal to 2a square. So y equal to 2a square by x. dy by dx 2a square, d by dx of 1 by x, 2a square minus 1 by x square, that is equal to minus 2a square by x square. F of x equal to 6x minus x square is increasing for x equal to x greater than 3, x equal to 3, x less than 6, x less than 3. F of x equal to 6x minus x square. F dash x becomes equal to 6 minus 2x. For the function to be increasing, f dash of x must be greater than 0. So you get 6 greater than 2x, or you can say 2x less than 6, that would imply x less than 3. Slope of tangent to the chord y equal to ln x at x equal to 1. Options given: -1, 1, 0, 2. Y equal to ln x. So dy by dx becomes equal to 1 by x. We all know the slope of the tangent is same as dy by dx. The point is given x equal to 1. dy by dx at x equal to 1, 1 by 1, 1. So the answer is 1. Integration 0 to 1 d by dx of tan inverse x dx. Integration of differentiation. Answer options given: -half, half, pi by 4, pi. So you can see when you are integrating and differentiating at the same time, you are going to get integration 0 to 1 d by dx of tan inverse x dx. So what is this? This is nothing but integration 0 to 1 d tan inverse x, right? That is same thing as tan inverse x. Put the limits 0 to 1. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. So this is pi by 4 minus 0, pi by 4. So the option is integration x square by 1 plus x cube dx. Right. Integration x square by 1 plus x cube dx. Put 1 plus x cube equal to b, 3x square equal to dv by dx, or you get x square dx equal to dv by 3. So you get 1 by 3 integration dv by v, 1 by 3 ln v plus c. 1 by 3, the value of v is x cube plus 1. So the answer is this. area bounded by the chord y equal to x with x-axis and between the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 is given by dash square units. Options given 8, 4, 2, 1. So the answer is integration 1 to 3 y dx. Integration 1 to 3 x dx. Integration 1 to 3. So you get x square by 2, limits 1 to 3. So 1 by 2 into 3 square minus 1 square. So the answer is order and degree of the differential equation x dx by dt 1 plus dx by dt options given 1 1 1 3 by 2 1 2 1 3. So this becomes x dx by dt 1 plus dx by dt root of square both sides, so you get x square dx by dt whole square, that is equal to 1 plus dx by dt whole square. You can see if you expand this, you get 1 plus 2 dx by dt dx by dt whole square t plus dx by dt. These two get multiplied, so you get dx by dt whole cube. So the order is 1 and degree is 3. Solution of differential equation dy by dx equal to 2x is given by y equal to 2x square plus c right. It is given dy by dx equal to 2x, so dy equal to 2x dx, integrate both sides. Okay, thank you. In the next video I will upload the solution to question number 2.